Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're discussing the highly anticipated teaser trailer for James Gunn's upcoming Superman film, set to release in just a few hours. The teaser trailer is scheduled to drop today, December 19, 2024, at 6 a.m. Pacific Time, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. We anticipate that this teaser will provide the first glimpse of David Corenswet as Superman, alongside Rachel Brosnahan portraying Lois Lane. Additionally, Nicholas Hoult is expected to appear as Lex Luthor. Directed by James Gunn, this film will not revisit Superman's origin story. Instead, it will focus on an established Superman striving to balance his Kryptonian heritage with his human upbringing. The narrative is expected to delve deeply into the complex relationship between Clark Kent and Lois Lane. The film is slated for a theatrical release on July 11, 2025. As the teaser trailer's release approaches, our excitement continues to build. The prospect of a fresh portrayal of Superman